Okay, we have our bench seats over here that will be able to convert into a twin bed once we get our table that is adjustable, that you'll be able to sit for guests. You can open it up for extra storage, and today we're going to work on putting seat belts inside. So they will be seat belted, 4 seat belts, 2 forward facing, 2 backward facing. And just a little peek at our little mandalas that we painted. Can you see them? There. And on the inside, I have straps here that I want to be able to put hooks on so the cushions stay even when you're opening it and when it's shut.
11 inches.
Okay, the seat belts are in. 2 people can be buckled at a time. The seat belts could all be tucked in when we're not using it as seat belts, just as a dining room table to make it more comfortable. I did get the hooks on to keep the cushions in place. We do need to figure out what to do with these top ones. When I kind of temporarily put it here, it held the cushion out with the knot. So we're not sure what to do to keep this cushion held against with these strings. So we have to figure that out. And as you may have noticed, if we have, if we need to get in, we don't have to take this top cushion up. We can just use or just open it as it is. And that makes it so the seat belts come up nice for that too.